Hey everyone, and welcome back. I just want to apologize again before we begin for last week. I am sorry I missed my uploads, but as you could tell, I'm in my new apartment here in Tampa, Florida. It was quite a hassle getting here. We drove from New York City down here to Florida. Not once, but 2 complete times, back and forth. It's a long drive. It's about 1,100 miles. Very tiring. But we are here, we are getting some stuff set up. I'm excited to be back in the rhythm of making videos for everyone. This is the set that I'm going to be currently using. It's going to evolve over time as we get more settled in, but you'll be able to take this journey with me. And just as I promised on my Instagram, today I've got a really cool tutorial for you guys. It's something that I use in my working repertoire. I use it all the time, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Not only that, but we've got 2 awesome deck giveaways. Just like I said, we're still giving away the Ace Fulton deck. This one is still up for grabs, but now we've got a second edition because of the late video. This is the Crimson Resurrection deck from Dan SPERRY. If you don't know who Dan is, he's got an awesome gothic themed magic act, has a really cool dove act. You can check that out right here. I'll be sure to link all of his info down below. So if you want to win these 2 decks, stick around to the end of the video for all the details. Alright, so I'll show you a quick performance of the trick and then we'll get into the tutorial. This is a card trick, so you will need a deck of cards. You don't need anything special, a regular deck will do. The one thing you do need for this trick is a spectator, and I happen to have one right here. Thing, go ahead, grab out a card for me, anyone that you want, pull it out, go ahead and show it to the camera, very good. And place it back down right there, right where you took it out of. Now Thing, I know you don't have any hands, so I'll do the shuffling for you. We'll just give the cards a quick mix right here. But it's very important, Thing. Your card is somewhere in the deck, correct?
Yes.
Very good. Now I'm gonna make a prediction here. I have an idea of where your card could be. I want you to tell me, what was your card?
The 6 of clubs.
6 of clubs, check this out. Watch, all I do is give a little snap and your card jumps right out of the deck. Thank you, Thing. Now let's get into how that works. Now I don't know the exact name for this trick. Again, I am very sorry, I couldn't find the source. If you know, tell me I'm an idiot and comment below. I'll send you a free deck of cards if you could track down where this came from. All I know is it was taught to me, again, years ago when I was working at the magic shop. It's a very simple and a very practical effect because it just uses a borrowed deck of cards. You could use any deck to do this, but it's super powerful. So here's the setup. Basically, this is a key card effect. For those of you who don't know what a key card is, it's by knowing the top or the bottom card, you can tell where the spectator's chosen card was. This is a double key card, so you use 2 key cards. For me, I always use the 2 red kings. Those are my 2 key cards. One stays on top and the other goes on the bottom of the deck. So that is your setup. You've got the deck in its shuffled form with a king on top and a king on the bottom. When you spread the cards and you have the spectator take a card, so Thing, go ahead, grab your card out. Very good. Thing, cover your ears so you don't know what's going on. Now, in this action of them picking the card, you're doing a reverse spread. So right now, once you spread the cards, they're gonna take their selection out. All you're gonna do is just reverse the packs. So now both your key cards are in the middle. That's where their selected card is gonna go. So it looks very natural. And they're never, trust me, I've done this trick thousands of times, they will never notice this. If you're good with it, all you do is say, okay, take a look at your card, show it to someone else. As you pull back, that's the motion that you reverse the packets. And now you have your 2 key cards. Now, they can go ahead, put their card back. You know automatically their card is gonna be between those 2 red kings. Now, it's very important, I made the little joke, oh, that Thing couldn't shuffle. You can actually let the spectator shuffle. It's a little risky, and unless they're like a master shuffler, they won't mess this up. As long as you do a very sloppy shuffle, so when you're just starting off, I recommend you do the shuffle. Just do something sloppy, nothing very fancy. You want it to be kind of bricky and blocky like that, because you don't want to separate those cards. Now you tell the spectator, it's very important you see your card is somewhere in the deck. Now while they're looking, you're also looking. So if you see right here, their selected card, that 5 of clubs, is between the 2 red kings. Now if you'll notice, if you go back and watch the video, this actually did get shuffled. There were 2 cards that were in between the kings. If that happens, it's just a process of elimination. But first, we'll just do it this way. Once you see that their card is there, all you have to do is do some patter, talk to them, and you can reveal the card however you want. For me, I like cutting it to the top and then just doing a top shot. I just lost the card here, hold on. Keep going, keep going. Did I really lose the card, or was it on this side? Yes, it was on this side. So their card, you could just cut it to the top. You could reveal it however you want. I just did a top shot. You could do it however you want. But let's talk about the method of how to get out of it if there's more than one card. So for example, we had the kings right there. And in the first video, there were 2 cards between the kings. I don't remember what they were. We'll just use the 3 and the 7. So in the event that that happens where there's more than one card, usually it'll only be 2 or 3. What you do is you just cut it so that one is on top and one is on bottom. That way you have multiple outs. So for example, right now there's the 7 and the 3. Once I split and cut, now there's one on top and there's one on the bottom. And there are a lot of different ways you can get out of that. You can do, you know, one of these moves. Oh, your card 26. Oh, it's in the bottom right there. Or like I said, if it's on top, you do a top shot, any sort of reveal that you want. But that's the entire trick. Practice it, perfect it, make sure you're really good with your timing and your subtleties, because that is what is going to sell the trick. So just as a quick recap, 2 of the same cards. You want 1 pair, one on top, one on bottom. Those are your double key cards. You want to try and get them to take a card selection from the middle of the deck. That'll make the spread look more natural. Once the card goes into the middle, you want to make sure you shuffle very sloppily, very loosely, as that's going to help you control the card between the 2 key cards. Once the card is located, cut it to the top or the bottom, whatever your preference is, and make it snappy and quick to reveal the card, however you want to do that. Alright everyone, so there you have it. That is my tutorial for the incognito double key card trick. Again, I'm really bad. Let me just stop. I'm really bad at sourcing this material. I know I'm horrible. I should be better at finding where these things originally came from. Anyway, I hope you like it. Be sure to practice it and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. All right, so let's talk about the deck giveaways. The Ace Vault deck giveaway is still going on. If you want to enter to win this deck, you can click the eye in the sky right here, and it'll give you all of the details on that. For the Crimson deck by SPERRY, here is what you have to do. We got to get this video right here to 50 likes. Once this video gets to 50 likes, I will be choosing one of the comments and giving away this deck to one of you. So like I said before, Dan has a really badass bird act. A few of my closest friends in Magic all do dove magic, and Dan's, along with my friend Elliot's, is one of my favorites. So that's the comment question for this video. Post in the comments, what is your favorite dove act? What magician performs your favorite dove act? You've got tons to choose from. You've got Lance Burden, Thomasini and Company, Elliot Dimmitt, Dan SPERRY, Kid Ace, so many awesome performers. Let me know down below who your favorite dove act is, and once the video hits 50 likes, I'll be giving this Crimson deck away to one of you. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram. My username is Thomas Hayden. That's where I post all of my exclusive updates and behind the scenes footage of these YouTube videos. It's also where I do the announcements for the deck giveaway winners. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, hi, I'm Thomas. I make videos twice a week about magic and minimalism. My videos go up every Monday and Wednesday. If you guys have been enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really does help me out. If you're not enjoying it, that other button works too. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe. I love these throw boy pillows. We have so many of them here in the apartment. We have the current gen pillow, last gen pillow, and behind me, this is for the OGs. This is the original subscribe pillow. Check that out. For those of you who don't know, this is what the subscribe button used to look like. These are when the pillows were handmade. By the way, Throwboy, hashtag not a sponsor. Roberto's just a good friend of mine. I love his work, I love his company. We've been working together for a long time. Go check him out at Throwboy. You can find all their stuff there. They just launched a brand new Kickstarter. Really dope stuff. It's all the classic Apple, Apple computers and gadgets and stuff. It's really cool stuff. I'll put a link to that right below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and as always, remain magical.